Hello friends, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase the screen recorder quality on your Infinix Smart 6 Plus, and also how to record your screen properly. So let's get started. First, open your notification panel. Here you can see the screen recorder option. Some of you might not see this option by default. If it's missing, tap on the pencil icon or the edit icon. After tapping, you will see two sections. The icons with a minus sign mean they're already added, and the icons with a plus sign mean they can be added. If the screen recorder shows a plus sign, simply touch it to the plus sign to add it. Once done, tap Save. Now I'm going back. After saving it, you will now find the screen recorder. To adjust the quality, press and hold the screen recorder icon. After holding, you will see three different settings options. You can enable all three options if you want high quality recording, or you can turn on only the options you need and turn off the ones you don't. And that's it. If you face any problem understanding any step, let me know in the comments. I will reply.